welcome back to the A+oic once again. So in today's video, learners, we'll be looking at how to access or how to locate our notes. I've actually uploaded all of the notes that is from grade 3 to grade 6. So if you open your portal, you can be able to find the digital note, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. Right, so starting now, since it is note, we'll be looking for it right at the academic core. Yes, so if I should click on academic core, you can see we have learning materials and we have LMS. So any of them you may find the note there. So let me go to learning materials, saying that is the quickest and the fastest way. So we have computing OIC. So I click on computing OIC. This is last term's note. As you can see, this is March 24th. This is April 27th. Alright, that is today. That is computing grade 5B 2026 term 3 note. The same thing if you are in grade 3, you find computing grade 3A or 3B 2026 term 3 notes. That is so grade 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you log in, just go to the learning materials under the academic core and then you see the note. So if I could click on this as a student, this is what you are going to see. Yes, that computing grade 5 B2020. So if you are in grade 6A, you see grade 6A 2020 term 3 notes, right? So you can click on this particular icon, this one, to read. You can click on this to also read in a what's the name, flipbook, and then you can download it using this. So let's give them a try. I click on this. Yes, I can read the whole note. See how it is. So one good thing about this note is that the note has been integrated into the system. So there are key points in the note, okay, that is going to guide you on how to use the Aplusaxiom on those particular practical activities. Okay, an example is, let me find one. Let me see whether I'll see one and I'll let you know. I think it should be in maybe okay, I found one. This one says try it on the Aplusaxioms, right? Use the platform security lessons to understand real world threat, right? So you know that we have 2FA in the system. In creating when we were given the account, you were asked to reset your password and use small letters, uppercase letters, numbers, special characters, symbols, and etc. All right. So it relates with you in a way that the system is part of what you are learning, because every tool that will be required, okay, for the note or for your learning in this Oxford International Computing has been integrated into the Aplusaxiom. So you don't need to download expensive tools anywhere to or pay for anything. Everything has been integrated, right? So we come here, so you see everything. So the only thing I'll demand from you is to just go to the system, read the note, or go to the system, download the note, and you can even print it as a hard copy, so that anytime we may be having computing, you can bring it to school. Okay, so this is one of the read, and then we have the flipbook, which is one thing that I like the most, right? The flipbook, I really like the flipbook, right? So with this, right, assuming I have this, I can be scrolling and then be scrolling. Let me push this up, yes, and then be scrolling. So and then you can even have a listen, right? I have a listen, it can read for you.
Sum, a function that adds up all the values in a selected range of cells.
Right, can you see that?
Auto
So you
sum,
can select who
a button that automatically creates a sum formula for the selected range.
Let me stop. Zero should be.
Sum, a function that adds up all the values in a selected range of cells.
Alright, so if you're feeling lazy to read by yourself, you can let the readers do that for you as well. So This is one thing that what I like the most, right? So that is that, right? That is that, right? So, and then there is download. Okay, when you click on this, you download it, right? And I left you a note here which says, note well, right? Kindly find attached the computing note for this term. I will encourage you to print it out by next week. That is the reason why I'm saying by next week is I'll be updating it this week, right? I'm going to be adding some images that I've taken, but I haven't inserted it yet. But you can start. It is the same test. Nothing is going to change. I'm going to just add images to it. That is the only thing I'm going to do, right? So the final version will be ready by next week. So when it drops, now you can print it, and then you can be using it whenever we have computing in class. Okay, so if you have any questions or something you don't understand whilst reading, right, you can put it in the chat section like here. Okay, you can just type okay, and then you can just post the comment, right? Or maybe in case you are reading and then you didn't understand maybe something, maybe you can even take a screenshot, right? I can take a screenshot like this. I didn't understand this particular part, right? So I can take a screenshot. If I go to this part, I can copy the screenshot. I can come and even post it here, right? Or I can attach it. Yes, if you can save it and attach it, and then you can post it. So I will be here every time responding to questions, what you don't understand, and I'm sure some of your colleagues will also be helping with that, right? It is a collective work that we are about to do. So this is how you can access your notes. This is how you can read them, and then this is how you can download them as well. Until we meet again in the next video, the name is Kwame A+, and then this is the A+oic. Shalom, peace, bye bye.